Hey guys, Antonio here, and today I'm here with a brand new video on Captivate, how to have dazzling conversations. So when people think about talking to new people, what it usually brings them up is small talk, and that's not what we want. What we want to have is big talk. And big talk is the way the book uses to describe exciting conversations that start with anticipation and things that you want to be a part of, not something that you just ask like, oh, how's the weather doing today? Those types of things are so basic and people get so bored with them. You want to make the conversation exciting, okay? And the hack that we're going to be talking about today is using conversational sparks, meaning special talking points that create pleasurable and memorable moments and conversations, okay? You want to be remembered when you have conversation. You don't want to be not remembered. So remember that these sparks, the thing that makes it a spark is that it produces dopamine in the mind. When it produces dopamine, that is good for you because it makes it more pleasurable, it makes it more memorable. And now let's get through to the 3 skills that you need to have in order to make conversations go from small talk to big talk using conversational sparks. The first one is conversation sparkers. And this is when you ask fresh, new questions that ignite brand new ideas, things that get the mind going and thinking, okay? Like, what are some passionable side projects that you work on? What have you been working on lately? What's that thing that really excites you every single day? These questions are things that people want to talk about because they really care about them, but they aren't really talked about in these kinds of scenarios. People want to talk about them, but you have to open up the conversation using the conversation sparker to get them going, okay? Anything fresh, new, and exciting here will make the mind shoot out some dopamine and make you more pleasurable and memorable to the other person. The next thing is to push some hot buttons. A hot button is a topic or an issue that you notice when the other person excites up when you talk about it. So, for instance, if you see someone respond like, oh yeah, yes, yes, or you see them nod their head intently, or you see them answer passionately about something, clearly that is a hot topic for that person. They want to talk about it more. So you can go down that route, ask them more new conversation sparkers, fresh, exciting questions that get them answering more questions about that hot button topic. They will think that you really, really are a great conversationalist because you are asking questions about things that they care about. That is so important, okay? And the last thing you can do here is be different. If someone asked you for $1 on the street, but then another person came by and asked you for $1.84, the fact that the other person was specific and different than the normal person just asking for $1 or a quarter, right? That makes them so much more different. You will be focusing on their conversation more. You'd be more intrigued. Why do you need $1.84? But if someone came up and asked me for $1.84, that's different. I would probably ask them more about that. That wakes the person up. Now, I'm not saying that you ask people for $1.84, but you need to be different and spice up your life. Make things different. So your job title, maybe change it so it sounds more interesting and exciting. Okay? For instance, my job title at work right now is Conversational AI Engineer, but when I tell other people about my job, I call myself the Voice Master because that's what my manager had called me at one point, and I really like that title. It's different. People ask questions about that title versus Conversational AI Engineer. It's just a more technical topic that more people don't like to talk about. So you can do this in every area, okay? Find ways to be different than other people, okay? Just slightly different. Doesn't have to be crazy and dramatic, but slightly different will spice things up. So, guys, remember, we want to change things from small talk to big talk using conversational sparkers. You want to ask fresh, new, and exciting questions. You want to talk about people's hot button topics things that intrigue them, and you want to be different than everyone else. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe to check out more videos like this. Make sure to donate to me on Patreon so I can keep making videos like this for you every single day. And remember that a chapter day allows for success to make way. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.